Okay, the homemade go-kart, part 3 I guess this is. Make sure you do like about 5 degrees of caster on the front spindle tubes, you know, just like you have on a bicycle. You know, help you keep you straight, and I don't know, it's all part of the steering. Talk about the steering, I got the steering column or shaft in. This will be the gas pedal. I gotta find a longer spring, but that's in. Brake pedal. Oh, that's still a little stiff. I'll have to work on that. The rear axle, this time I cut the head off the bolts and just put the rest of the bolt in the end of the tubes. I don't know, hopefully it'll come out straighter. Sometimes I've even used 5/8 bar inside the tubing, sometimes even square tubing. First time I did it like this though, with the bolts cut off. And I still need a plate for in between here, you know, to put my feet to work the pedals. I still have to do the spindles. But this is all the welding I did today. So I guess it's moving along. I think that's going to be it for today though. Thanks for watching.